studio and I hear some noises outside. I'm gonna go check them out. Let's see what we have. We're gonna go quietly, see what we get. It's windy, it might be just the wind. The birds are on the roof over there. Let's see what we have. Probably nothing in the yard. Nope, there's nothing around, but that's it. Let's see. See the birds on the roof over there? Up there. It's amazing. And I'm sure the birds will come around for food. What I'm going to leave the camera up and see what we get in the next video.